Hello and welcome to my final technical demonstration of my final year project, a cloud-based secure personal document storage system. So here we have the API. It's the home page of the API, and we can see that it's unsecured, or its identity is not verified. This is because it's a self-signed certificate. So if we go to the home page, so this is the website, the Safe Travel website. So we see the home page and different bits and pieces of information regarding bag security. Then we have an about page, and again different bits of information, how to get into bags by just using a ballpoint pen, just to show how unsecure the bags are. We have pricing and what the Commission for Communication regulations say about phone security. So you've already seen me create a user, and you've also already seen me pay through PayPal. So I'm just going to log in with this user I set up. So you would have seen me do a lot of this in some of the previous updated videos. So this is my account details, so I can go in here and I can edit the different details. This image is taken from the gravatars used by WordPress. So we can also see, we can have a look at manage payments. So this is the payments that have been made. So obviously you can see one is made, and it was made on April 22nd. And then we also have the option of make an early payment. So if you were going on holidays and you weren't too sure when you were going to be able to pay, you could always pay early, and your 30 days would get added on to the end of the previous bill. Then if we look at upload documents, so we've seen this again, we've seen this all before, where you can upload a document given these specifications. And we can view the documents. So these are two of the documents that I have up. These are samples. This is the passport sample and some different cards. So if you click on one, you get a bigger version of it, and you can go and delete one if you like as well. That's basically it from the user point of view. If you have a quick look at the admin area, so again, just need to log in. So this is the account area, so we can see that the menu here is slightly different. So we got the account settings. We can view all payments. So this is all the payments that have ever been made on the system. And these ones here that say no details, these are accounts that have been deleted, but the information was still there. And then inactive accounts, so we can see whose accounts are, whose fake accounts I must say, are inactive. Then list users. So this is a list of all the users. So if we look at my one here, the one I was just using, it says accounts paid. So if we look at the details, so you'll notice here I don't see a list of the images I have up, and that's for security reasons. So the administration can't view your documents. Okay, so we'll just log back out a second. I'm just going to log back in as myself again, as a user. And we'll just show the gallery. Okay, I'm just going to pause it there for 1 second, and then I'm just going to run the mobile app on my mobiler. So just back to you in 1 second. Hello and welcome back. So here we have my mobiler showing my app running on my mobile. I'm doing this way because the emulator just doesn't work that very well. Also, a few little things with my mobiler. I had to turn off all my security functions on my app, so to show it, because if I leave on the show screenshots or don't show screenshots, we won't be able to see the screen actually on the my mobiler screen. I also have hard coded the longitude and latitude for demonstration purposes and also for personal security. So if we click on the app, so we can see the app here. So we start at the bottom, so check weather. So we check the weather, and we see in Athlone it's 11 degrees, and all the different weather information. And then currency conversion. So let's go with 2 euro to, let's go with sterling. As you can see, there's a lot of them. There's 162 different locations, and we convert. So you can see here at the bottom, this is the Couchbase NoSQL database. It stores all the last 5 currency conversions. Okay. There's also these 3 menu buttons throughout. So about is obviously just about the app itself. App care, it just looks at the care for the app and that you should log out of your app. And the developer is just about the developer. So if we go to login, so I'm just going to pause it here for 1 second. I'm going to put in my credentials because as you can see what I'm pressing in on the keypad. So for security reasons, I'll just go and do that now. Okay, so I have all my information in. So we can click on login, and we'll be logged in, and we'll download the different information that we need from the website. So these are the same 2 images we can see behind. Okay, so one of the functions that also doesn't work on my mobile is clicking the app and making it full screen. You'll just have to take my word for it that works. Okay, so we have a menu button here at the top. So we can go back to the dashboard, which is where we are. You can upload, you can sync to the database, you can find place, log out, and we see the same 3 menu features that we had earlier on. So if we look at uploading one then, so let's do upload, and let's go from the camera. Now, so let's say this is an important card that you want to upload. So we take a picture of it, say yes, this is the picture that I want, and it updates it. And we can see it here in the bottom. So I'm just going to slide this over for a second, and refresh the website, and we can see that that image is there. So I'm going to slide this back. So one of the other, so you can also upload from your gallery on your phone also. And one of the other features that's here as well is find place. So find place finds a place station closest to your current location. So if I was in Athlone Institute of Technology. You would find the nearest one. Sorry, let's find the nearest one, which is here, as we can see on the map. Now you notice that it had uploaded it twice. That's because the first time it uses it from the last known location from the GPS, and the second time it's triggered to update the last known location. So we can see here at the bottom we have the trip details, the start and the finish, and we can see the different directions that you need to take to get to your final destination. Okay, and we just go back to the dashboard. And so we can either click here for log out, or if we click back, it comes up for here for security reasons that you're automatically going to be logged out, and so yes, we do want to be logged out. And we're back to the main menu again. So I'm just going to pause there 1 second until I log back in so I can show you offline. So what we've seen before was online, so this is offline. So you can see there's a red bar here. So I'm going to log in, and yes, I want to go offline. So this is if I didn't have any internet access. I still have access to my documents. So let's say I wanted to delete one of them. So let's say I want to delete that. So if I hold it, well, that did work. That was unexpected. So if I hold it, it deletes it. Alright, it says it comes up with a warning that you want to delete it, and so then I click delete. I was under the impression that the full screen wouldn't work on the my mobiler. Okay, so now we need to sync the databases. So there's a couple of ways we can sync. We can either sync when we go to upload another document, or we can sync if we want to delete a document. If we suddenly had internet, I would have went and tried to delete straight away there. But we can also turn on the internet back again and then log in. So if I just log out, so I'm going to turn on the internet and then I'm going to come back to the login page. So I'm just going to pause there again. Okay, so when I log back in, the syncing the databases should start to happen. So we see syncing databases. So this syncs the ones with the phone and the one in the cloud. It's the AWS database. And so it downloads the documents. So you can see we only have the 2 there, which is what we wanted because we deleted one. So now if I refresh here, we can see that that one's gone there now as well. That's pretty much it. So let's go log out. So we're now logged back out. Thank you very much for watching. That was the final technical demonstration of my final year project, a cloud-based secure document storage system. Thank you for watching.